What's up, guys? In today's video, it's Mo here. I will be showing you guys how to join the Temu affiliate program and then how to sign up for it. Everything. The link will be down below. But I'll go ahead and show you guys step by step how I'm able to make crazy passive income off Temu. But a lot of people are doing this, so I'm not the only one. So let's go ahead and jump to it. So what you guys can do right now, you can just go ahead and go to my Instagram, or the link will be down below anyway. So go ahead into my Instagram and click the link tree in my bio, of course, and then you'll be the first link popping up. So if you click the first link, should take you to sign up quick. It shouldn't take you over here, because if you use my link, you get $5. You start with $5. If you don't start with my link, you start with $0. So you rather start with $5 first and then move out to the top. That's what I did. So yeah, if once you guys sign up for this, and you guys should be ready to go, and down here where they have affiliate link, which means you can recommend one of the some of the best stuff that, like, if you're a content creator, some of the best stuff that you actually use. I can't live without this stuff right here. This is what I use, and I record on my phone. Obviously you guys can see that, and I record on my tripod, and I will need this 100-watt solar mobile power bank to charge my phone, of course, and I have a privacy screen protector, so people don't see while I'm in public. People don't see exactly where I'm looking at my phone, all that, etc. If you guys want to buy any of these, the link will be down below, and make sure, don't forget to sign up for the link. And this link right here, it should be, you guys will get $10 by the way once you guys sign up. $10. Okay. Yeah, make sure you guys sign up, and make sure you guys subscribe, because right now they're having an award. As you see, all these people right here, all these people are winning all this money. You guys can be the next, like, winner. Like, literally, you guys can be the next winner on this leaderboard right now. So make sure you guys subscribe and comment down below if it works for you, and let me know on my Instagram if it doesn't work. I can always help you guys. And yeah, make sure you guys stay